Alam nyo ba na ang mga narcissist ay parasite sa relationship? So, ang mga narcissist ay hindi nagpapakasal or nag-aasawa dahil sa gusto nila ng romantic relationship or ng healthy relationship or ng stable relationship. Nagpapakasal sila, it's because they want to get something from the partner. Okay, so this is what we call parasitism or yun na nga, yung parasite. So, magbe-benefit lagi siya dun sa relationship na yon from time to time. So, this is one-sided relationship. Di ba when we say parasitism or parasite, a good example is aso at pulgas. No? Aso at saka garapata. Tao at saka bulate. A good example is ascaris. Bulate ng tao. No? Another one, tapeworm. Bulate ng tao. Di ba? So, get ng nutrient para mabuhay yung bulate, yung pulgas, yung garapata, nang walang naibabalik doon o naitutulong doon sa kanyang host na tinatawag. Kasi basically, when we say parasitism or parasites, merong host at saka merong parasite. So, dito, yung narcissist ang parasite, ikaw yung host kung meron kang asawa o jowa o partner na narcissist. So, ganun yung relationship na yon. Kaya, do not expect na magkakameron ng healthy relationship ito. Ito ay parasitism. Ito ay one-sided relationship. Kaya kapag kayo ay nasa ganitong klase ng relationship, pag meron kayong napangasawang narcissist, expect that you are in a narcissistic relationship and your relationship is parasitism ang datingan. May parasite, may host. Okay? So just remember that. Kasi baka kasi nag-expect kayo na magbabago pa yung partner nyo, magkakameron kayo ng maayos na relationship. No, narcissistic relationship is a parasitic relationship. Relationship wherein merong nauubos at merong nagigain. May tumatabang garapata at may namamayat na aso. So, ganun ang nangyayari dyan. May taong nagiging malnourished at namamayat dahil sa bulate at may bulating pagkatataba. See you in my next content. Bye for now.